Hello, this is Lorraine Jamison, and this is GoReact quiz number 11. So the first problem in this quiz was to use the Laplace transform to solve y double prime plus 16y is equal to delta t minus pi at y of 0 is equal to 0 and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. So you just take the Laplace of both sides, and this is a direct delta function, so you have s squared y plus sy0 plus y prime of 0 plus 16 capital Y is equal to e to the negative 2 pi s. And then you isolate the y and you take the inverse Laplace to get the function y is equal to sine 4t minus 2 pi u of t minus the unit function of t minus 2 pi. And then the next one was to solve the given system of equations. 2 dx dt plus dy dt minus 2x is equal to 1. Dx dt plus dy dt minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 2. X of 0 is equal to 0, and y of 0 is equal to 0. So in order to solve this, I first isolated the y variable. And I didn't quite simplify it here yet, but I got the y variable equal to 2 divided by s times quantity of s minus 3 plus 1 over s minus 3 minus x. And so using that, I plugged it in over here. Where did I plug that in over here? Oh, right up here. So, sorry, I guess I should preface by saying that I took the Laplace of both the equations up here, and that's how we're getting big X's. So you plug in the y over here into the equation, and using that you can simplify this down to get your x value. So x is equal to negative 4s minus 3 over s times the quantity of s minus 3 times the quantity of s minus 2. And then here is page number 2. You can kind of see that in the corner there. Page 2. So I just transferred what x and y were equal to. And then using partial fractions, you can solve for x first. So I got a equal to negative 1/2, b equal to negative 5, c equal to 11 over 2. And then you plug that into the big X equation. So big X is equal to negative 1/2 times 1 over s minus 5, 1 over s minus 3, plus 11 over 2 times 1 over s minus 2. And then you just take the inverse Laplace of this equation to get little x of t is equal to negative 1/2 minus 5 e to the 3t plus 11 over 2 e to the 2t. And then using this x value, you can plug that into the y equation. So this is the y equation simplified right here. And then here is the entire y value with the added x. And then you once again have to solve partial fractions. So in this case, I got a equal to 13 over 6, b equal to 16 over 3, and c equal to negative 11 over 2. So big Y is equal to 13 over 6 times 1 over s plus 16 over 3 times 1 over s minus 3 minus 11 over 2, 1 over s minus 2. And then you take the inverse Laplace once again to get little y of t is equal to 13 over 6 plus 16 over 3 e to the 3t minus 11 over 2 e to the 2t. Thank you.